It looks like a house dress my mom had when I was little.
That's jazzy.
Jazzy! Okay. Hi friends, it's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
And we're back again with more fun. Okay, today we're going to make animal portrait sort of heads from cardboard and things at your house. If you eat eggs, then you have these at your house. Here is what we're shooting for, some kind of a funny animal portrait. And if you think and use your brain about all the different kinds of animals there are, you'll see I'm going to show you some different possibilities. So here's our friend, the little pig. She'd just be over here watching us work. So you need an egg carton. I think you could use regular scissors. And you can see I've already sort of started. I think that I can show you the two different ways to make them. So you're going to use one of these side for a sort of animals like maybe a panda, or who else would have a more flat face? A panda, a bear, the pig. Yeah, and then animals with maybe a pointier face like a rat, maybe
you could do like a deer,
a bunny.
It could be a dinosaur.
Yeah. Oh, Miss Kate, you're so clever.
Could be all sorts of things.
Yeah. So, all right. So I've cut 2 pieces from the egg carton. So now what I'm going to do is just trim it down so that it's even, and I'll be able to glue it down onto my cardboard base. So I think you could make it be super pointy, like a very long nose, or you could even take it down farther and maybe it'd be a dog, a cat. I'm going to test it, and it looks a little wobbly, so I'm going to go in there again. We don't really deal in perfection with art. We just make it be good enough-ish and fun. Okay, that one feels stable, so do that, and then I'll show you this one. Kind of the same thing. I'm just trimming it down so that there's a textural rise to it on your portrait. Like, you know how people catch animals and then they make those things on their walls with their dead animals? Like, maybe, what are those called?
I don't know. Animal heads. I don't know.
Yeah, animal heads that people, like, their trophies, like something then they were hunting. So you're going to have different shapes to make your animal have a rounder face or a pointier face. And I think you could make it deeper or not so deep. You also, I think, could angle it so it was,
oh yeah,
right? Let's do one of those. So it's sort of smaller on one side, and then it goes to be like bigger on this side, so it looks maybe like a Saint Bernard, like that. Kind of see the difference? That's this one's, maybe I'll even make it more pronounced. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, and the cardboard cuts pretty easy. So yeah, so there's some different sorts of shapes you can make for your face. Next, you're gonna need some kind of a base. So I just found an old cardboard box and I shaped it. We have cardboard scissors. We love these because little friends can use them and they're safe and they're pretty strong. It could be square, it doesn't really matter. So I got this one ready, so I'm going to use that. And then you're going to imagine, like maybe, I'm thinking it's about halfway down your page, you're going to put your nose. You're going to do like that. You could also turn it that way, depending on which way you want your face to go. But could you see how this one, that's kind of an interesting face,
funny.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, so then I think that hot glue would be a really good method. We love this 3-in-1 glue because it's like an easy glue to use that dries pretty quickly and is pretty strong. It's kind of like a liquid version of a hot glue. It doesn't dry quite as fast, but then you don't get burned. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Not getting burned is good.
Yeah, nobody wants to get burned. Miss Kate got little gloves for everybody so that little friends can use hot glue. Okay, so I'm about halfway through, and I'm just, oopsie, I'm going to glue it down. Now, because it's not hot glue, it's going to take a minute, but, you know, maybe in about 2 or 3 minutes, this will be ready to go. So then the other interesting part is what kind of, I like to make the ears. What kind of ears do you want your animal to have? So I'm imagining this could be a panda, it could be a bear, if you colored your ears in. This could be I will make this like a mouse. So get my cardboard scissors, and I'm going to make little rounded ears. Alright, well, like that. Okay, so then I'm going to glue the ears. Well, I guess I could go that. Oh, it could be an elephant. That is going to be, well, I didn't make it very even. Let's imagine this to be like a mouse. And I would glue those down. And then you've got your first idea. Also, you can make a lot of them. You could just now paint, let's say we were making this into a panda. You could now just paint it black and white and get the body ready. But Miss Ornella thought it was more fun and easier for the kids to paint it all white. So I got one ready. And I'm thinking that this looks like a rabbit. Isn't it cute? So I glued these on a couple days ago, and I painted them with just white craft paint on the background. So I think that you could do that. Get your paint out, paint. So you just have a completely white background to start. I think it's really funny when we use different medias together. So this little piglet has a fabric top. I'm going to make this, I believe that it looks to me like a bunny. So I'm going to make it a bunny. So first, I think I got brown, because I think my bunny's going to be brown, although rabbits come in all different colors. And then I brought a little pink over to color inside the ears. And I'm going to use acrylic paint. And I don't need a lot. I'm just going to use the top of the paint container. I brought a little thin paintbrush, and I'm going to make, oh yeah, see? So if you paint it white, your color will really jump out. I'm going to keep my paint out because after I put my shirt on, my make shirt, I'm going to paint my rabbit some little arms. So I'm just going to put that here for now. This one's almost empty, but I don't need a lot. There's some right here. That.
Yeah, we used a lot of pink recently. I can't remember for what.
Oh, look at how cute that is.
Is it Valentine's related?
It could have been, and we were going to mix. Oh, you know what? I think it was a while ago when we did cherry blossoms.
Oh yeah.
And we ended up not mixing the paint. We ended up using the pink.
Oh, that was smart. Okay. Oh, that's very cute. Okay, so don't need the pink. Put that away. I have to remember to wash my brush. Next up, we're going to make a shirt. I found some little fabric scraps that were kind of fun, or Miss Kate found them for me. Oh, here. This one's kind of cute. It looks like it's got a little flower on it, but I feel like I need something with a little more pizzazz. So I'm going with a jazzier print. Let's see how big I need it to be. It looks like a house dress my mom had when I was little.
That's jazzy.
Jazzy! Okay. Let's see. Okay, now, oh, look at that little outfit. Okay.
Oh, it's so cute.
Right? Okay, super cute. And I'm going to use my same glue. Because tacky glue, well, I think that tacky glue is good. Now I have the, oh, it's dry. Now I have the dresses on. Next step would be, I'm going to make the face first so that I don't get my arm in the paint. We're using paint pens because I think that they're a little more I tried it with the Sharpie, and then if you sometimes use the Sharpie on paint, you ruin your Sharpie, so I don't want to ruin my Sharpies. So I'm going to make my little rabbit face now. So. Oh, can you see the little face? I don't know if you can see the little face, but
yeah, it's cute. And then if you put a little hook on the back, like a little piece of string,
yeah,
you can hang it
I
up.
could put a little hook on the back. All right, and now I have my face. Oh, now I have to get my brown paint, and I'll paint some arms. All right, so we have that, and then.
Now what do you do?
Well, I brought some paint pens because I feel like if you decorate the border, it just makes it, you wouldn't have to, but if you decorate the border, it just jazzes it up a little bit, so.
Well, it looks more like a frame.
Yeah, I have some different colors. Maybe I will pick up the blue from my dress. You could paint this as well. I always like to give people options. Maybe I'll make some little flowers. You see, I think that what's really fun for Miss Kate and I is we're always looking at people's art. Miss Kate's really good about being inspired by just about everything. And then we come back and we say, oh, I saw this really cool ... And then we work together to try to figure out how we can make it or share it with friends. Oh, now they can be friends. Hello, will you be my friend? Yes, I'll be your friend. So there you have it.
So cute.
Aren't they cute?
They're really cute.
Yeah. So you have some options of how you make them, different shapes, and good luck. Have fun. Don't take yourself too seriously, and come back and see us again sometime soon. Bye, friends.
Bye.
Thanks
See
for
you
coming.
soon.